All right, welcome to my YouTube channel. We are still on a series, Surds, and in this case, we want to solve a problem given to us. They say find 5 roots 2 and find the square of it. Should find the square of it. Now, solution. The solution part of it is you bring this value 5. Now, what they are trying to tell you here is something like this. This power 2 here is affecting both 5 and it's affecting both this root. So I have something like this. 5, something like this. Then I have 2, something like this. All right? The 5 the root will be shared to both the 5 and the root 2. Now it's another pattern. There is another pattern where I will just use 5 times 5. Now observe, this can also be written as 5 times 5, right? And then times root 2 times root 2. You can write this as this. You are still correct. Okay? Now, if you check very well, whenever there's a rule here, whenever a root, the same root, like this one is a square root means 2. Whenever a root and the powers are the same, they will cancel each other. They will cancel out. So in this place, I can easily get my answer. Now, what I mean is that this root can cancel this root because this is a square root. Assuming here was 3 and here was cube root, it will cancel and leave only 2 aside. Okay, and remember what is separating 5 and root 2 is multiplication. That was why I simplified it here. So this implies 5 times 5 will give me 25 times. Now, whenever 2 roots is a principle of root, please be very careful with this. Whenever 2 roots are the same and they are multiplying, you pick what is inside alone. You pick what is inside alone. It's a law of, if I use the laws of indices here, we'll still get the same answer. But here now, I just want you to understand the concept that when the same roots are multiplying, pick what is inside. What did I say? When 2 roots, the same roots are multiplying, pick what is inside. Do you understand? 2 roots are the same. 2, 2. Multiplication. Pick only what is inside. So this will finally give us 25 times 2 will give us 50 as our final answer. 50 as our final. So this is how you solve. Whenever they have power here, split the powers to everything inside the bracket. Split it. So assuming I have more values inside here, even if I have A here, the power 2 will be splitted or given to that A. Just like you are sharing something. If I say everybody in this house should share one orange, that orange must reach everybody. So that is what I did here. Splitting, they can use this format or you can use this format. So the square root of that is 5 root 2. 5 to the power of 2 will give us what? 25. It's the same thing as 5 times 5. Why this one will give us this? So, like I told you, I said when the roots are the same, you pick what is inside. I pick what is inside. 5 times 5 is 25. And 25 times 2 will give me 50. And this is my final answer. So, thank you very much.